I'm going to show you exactly how I made this beautiful layered wall art, and honestly, I'm super proud of this woodworking project, and well, I hope you enjoy it too. I took inspiration from the mathematically defined Penrose pattern, and along the way, see if you can spot the hidden foxes that I snuck into this piece. Every project starts with an idea, and this one was inspired by the YouTube channel Veritasium and his video about Penrose patterns. This pattern was discovered when mathematicians were searching for pentagonally symmetric tiling strategies. That's five-way symmetry, and this means that, like a tiled countertop, every piece fits perfectly together with no gaps. Veritasium's incredible video explains all the beauty and eccentricity in the aspects of these patterns, and I thought I could make something beautiful out of this math. So using Inkscape, I generated a 4th order Penrose P3 pattern. You do this by going to Extensions, Render, L System, and a dialog box will pop up. You have to define the axiom and rules by which the pattern will be generated, and you can find the exact rules that I used for mine in the description below. Pick the other fields as I have, and if you check the live preview tick box, you'll see how every parameter affects the created design. Once you're satisfied, click Apply, and you'll have a Penrose pattern path to work with. From here, I added more line thickness, and this became the top layer of my art piece. But there's 4 more layers underneath it to add depth and further creativity to this project. And adding in these details is a long series of small decisions to form the full look. In my case, I saw these prominent star shapes, and I used the layers to create a bursting effect. In the remaining section, I saw what kind of looked like a fox wearing headphones, and I loved it. I was able to leverage the 5-way symmetry that mathematics provides us to only design 1/5 of the entire piece. Each of these sections will then fit inside my Glowforge's cutting area, and I can actually pack 3 of them onto each sheet. For gluing, I increased the size of my needle applicator to get just a little extra flow, and consequently I did get more glue squeeze out. I had to clean up all those splooges with a dental pick, which did take a fair bit of extra time. But overall, I think that I got a stronger bond than with the smaller needle applicator I've been using in past videos. Stacking up 5 layers and clamping along the way securely bonded the layers to one solid puck. Combine one of these pucks with 4 of its closest twins, and you can see this art piece coming together. I added some hanging hardware on the back and a label with the official name for my piece, Penrose Foxes. With that, I just applied a few coats of spray on acrylic to both sides to seal in the piece. And there you have it, my complete Penrose Foxes wall art. And if you want this piece hanging in your own home, you can purchase a fully assembled one or the digital plans to make your own, both of which are on my website, which is linked below. I hope you enjoyed, and go make cool stuff.